Hello everybody, my name is Murphy Jenkins. Welcome back to my Frisco and Cherokee Narrow Gauge Railway. In front of me here you see the Sebastian County Coal Company car. As you see, we haven't really made any progress on the car. Reason being is we are waiting for some parts to come in the mail for it, namely the tubes for re-gauging the axle and welding it. We're also waiting for some better weather for the welding. However, we did acquire a new project now. Behind me here you will see Tippy. This is the little in-dump car from the mining industry. The car was probably originally 18-inch gauge. However, it will be 2-foot gauge for my line. As you can see, it's only a body here. Rescued this from a little antique store up in Springdale, Arkansas. Luckily, the store was closing down, so I got a great price on it. Car's made probably late 30s, early 40s. It's all welded construction. Looks to be about 1/2 inch thickness on the walls, and the strap there is all 3/4 inch, so this is a pretty hefty car. As you can see, it is rusted up pretty bad. We are going to wire brush all that live rust off, and I've got some kill solution that will kill the rust and preserve the patina underneath. The car over here was made by the Mine and Mill Machinery Company of Los Angeles, California. It's still got its brass tag. It's a rather nice car. Like I said, on the outside we are going to preserve the patina. Another project we're going to do is we're going to clean all the crap out of this car, and we're going to actually rhino line it. Sitting on the little brick car that's sitting on, you may notice these little 6-foot pieces of rail. These are going to be made up into a small display track. Part of the reason we're wanting to get this car done is I want to take this car up to the Great Northwest Arkansas Model Train Show. Hope to have a booth there set up with a bunch of narrow gauge goodies. Tippy here will be kind of our sponsor from the railway, and will be a nice display to show off to people. We will have to build a whole new base for the car, which we'll get started on that in part 2. We're going to be using some Brickworks wheels under this car body. The wheels are going to be of the 5-hole pattern, which you can see on the middle wheel set here in this 3. It's kind of a nice pattern, rather industrial looking. We've got 4 loose wheels that we're going to use on this, and we're going to use brand new axles and brand new bearings for the car. And it's actually going to have a wooden frame with steel strapping. A lot of that's going to actually be custom blacksmith strapping on there. And the car will be able to tilt side to side and dump. With the throw of that lever on the back, it will actually dump out. Everything will work as the original car did. And I'm actually going off original plans I found from the Mine and Mill Machinery Company for this car. But this car is relatively simple, and it was a very common design found throughout the West. Hope you all stay tuned throughout the restoration of this car. Make sure you guys check out our Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the description below. Our page just covers all these 1-to-1 full-size backyard railroads. Thank you again for watching. Take care.